students, I hope you all are having a great day. Our subject for today is English topic a beach day. Before we get into our lesson, let us recite one poem. Playing at the beach, playing at the beach, castle in the sand, building castle in the sand, waves at the sea, waves at the sea, can take the castle away, can take the castle away. Oh, what a lovely day I had at the beach. Oh, what a lovely day I had at the beach. Dolphins in the sea, dolphins in the sea. They jump, they swim, they go anywhere. Oh, what a lovely day I had at the beach. Oh, what a lovely day I had at the beach. Playing at the beach, playing at the beach. Related to this only, students, about beach, we are going to learn about a very interesting chapter, a beautiful day at the beach. The name of our lesson is a beach day. Let us read the lesson to know more. A beach day. Today is Sunday. It is a bright and beautiful day. Pihu and her friend are playing on a beach. Rohan is making a sand castle. Arav is collecting shells in a bucket. Tia is taking a nap under an umbrella. Pihu is swimming in the sea. Birds are flying. Children have a beach set to play. There is a crab near the basket. They are all having fun. Did you understand the lesson by reading it? Let us read it in detail to know more. A beach day. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, end of a week. We all enjoy our weekend on Sunday. It is a bright and beautiful day. Bright and beautiful means a sunny and clear sky. Beautiful weather to go out and enjoy. We all enjoy during Sunday when it is a sunny day. Pihu and her friends are playing on a beach. Beach are usually made of sand and tiny grains of rocks. Here on beach, Pihu and her friends are playing and enjoying. The very first new word we get from our lesson today is beach. Beach is a narrow strip of land separating a body of water. Rohan is making a sand castle. Rohan is making a sand castle, as you can see in the picture. With the help of bucket and spade, he is making a sand castle, which is looking so beautiful. The second new word we get from our lesson today is sand castle. A small model of a castle or other structure that is made with sand on a beach. Arav is collecting shells in a bucket. So here on the other side, Arav is collecting shells of snail or any other animals which stays in water. The upper layer of any animal which is thick is called as shell. The third and the last new word we are getting from our lesson is shells. Shells is a hard outer covering or support of an animal. Tia is taking a nap under an umbrella. It is one of the best nap to sleep on sand under the umbrella by hearing the sound of waves and relaxing the body. Here, small Tia is taking nap under an umbrella. Pihu is swimming in the sea, as you can see in the picture. Swimming is the best sports activity a person can do. It helps in many ways. Keeps heart rate up, builds muscle and good body. Birds are flying. So here there are many birds that love shores like gulls, ducks. They love to fly around the beach. In this lesson, they are telling us that birds are flying near the beach, which looks so beautiful. Children have a beach set to play. A beach set is a kit, as you can see in the picture, which is used to make castle or any other things whichever you want to do on a beach. So here all the children have a beach kit to play around and enjoy their day. There is a crab near the basket. So as you can see in the picture, a crab near the basket. Crab is an animal with a wide, flat body covered by a hard shell. Crabs have 10 legs, including a pair of claws, eyes on short stalks. They are usually found on beaches. They are all having fun, as we saw in the lesson that each and every child in this lesson enjoyed in their own way, as we also enjoy when we go on a beach day, when we get holidays. Yes or no? So with this we end our today's lesson. We will do a quick recap by reading the lesson one more time so that we can answer the question. Let us read the lesson to know more. A beach day. Today is Sunday. It is a bright and beautiful day. Pihu and her friend are playing on a beach. Rohan is making a sand castle. Arav is collecting shells in a bucket. Tia is taking a nap under an umbrella. Pihu is swimming in the sea. Birds are flying. Children have a beach set to play. There is a crab near the basket. They are all having fun. Answer the following question. Number 1. What day is it? You can find the answer in the passage itself. It is a bright and beautiful day. Question number 2. Where are Pihu and her friends playing? You can find the answer in the passage itself. Answer: Pihu and her friends are playing on a beach. Question number 3. Who is making a sand castle? Answer: Rohan is making a sand castle. Notes for today's lesson are as follow. New words we get from our lesson today are as follow. Number 1, beach. Number 2, sandcastle. Number 3, shell. Meanings of the new word we get from our lesson today are as follow. Number 1, beach. A narrow strip of land separating a body of water. Number 2, sand castle, a small model of a castle or other structure that is made with sand on a beach. Number 3, shells, a hard outer cover or support of an animal. Make sentences using the new words we get from our lesson today. I have done some example for you. You will have to create your own new one. Number 1, beach. There is a lovely beach that stretches miles along the blue Atlantic. Number 2, sand castle. The kids had a ball building sand castle. Shells. A snail's shell is spiral in form. Question number 4. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks using the words given below. Castle, day, shells. Number 1. It is a bright and beautiful dash. Day. Number 2. Rohan is making a sand dash. Castle. Number 3. Arav is collecting dash in a bucket. Shells. Homework for today's lesson is draw a beach day. Thank you for